Welcome to the new school year to our students and families. For those of you returning this year, welcome back and thank you for your continued confidence and trust in our virtual program. And a warm welcome to our new students and families. With our first week successfully completed, I am sure your students are quite exhausted and probably you're a little bit nervous. Our Student Success Skills Day really was designed about teaching your students about new strategies to help set up their school work week and desk area at home and to begin working in their online courses at the start of next week. As the principal, a mother myself, and now a new grandparent, I am keenly aware of the questions you may have as you embark on this journey with online learning and taking on the daily monitoring of your student at home. To your right now questions pertaining to attendance, free resources, live day schedules, drop-off and pickup procedures, dress code, and communication methods. And of course, feel free to contact me if you have additional questions. To be in good standing in their online courses, students do need to complete all assignments for each course each week according to their PACE guides provided by their instructors. Students will in general complete approximately 6% of their courses each week, with 100% completion expected by December 21st to earn credit for their first semester courses. Additionally, students must complete assignments in order and not skip around. Skipping around can cause a great deal of confusion and could result in poor performance on assignments, discussion-based assessments, module exams, and segment exams. When students remain within 10% of the master PACE expectation guide shown here, they will avoid receiving an attendance alert on Mondays. More information about attendance can be found in the student handbook provided during Student Success Skills Day. A free Office 365 download is available by visiting the web address shown here and by following the instructions available on that web page. Students do need their 10-digit student identification number to formulate the required district email address shown on this page, as this is their username required to complete the download. Our highly qualified full-time instructors are on campus 3 days a week to support student learning. Teachers help students set goals for the day and monitor their work habits as they work alongside peers in our highly equipped computer lab. Teachers offer direct instruction sessions to deepen content learning, especially for state-tested subjects. Please see upcoming direct instruction sessions posted in your FLVS Message Center and often posted on the course announcements page for students. Our arrival time is 8:45 and our dismissal time is 3:30 p.m. The St. Lucie Public Schools early release day time is 1:30. With drop-off or pickup for your students during normal arrival and pickup times, all vehicles must remain in the parent lane closest to the front of the school. Once your car has stopped directly in front of the school, your child may exit the car or enter the car closest to the curb for safety. Please be advised school staff are not permitted to walk your child to a parked car or allow your child to walk to a parked car. All vehicles must use the parent loop during regular arrival and pickup times. If students are needing to be dismissed outside of our regular dismissal times, parents must park and come to the front office to sign their child out of school. If this is a district-wide early release day, parents will use the parent pickup loop just like a regular scheduled dismissal time identified here. We have new door entry protocols in place. All visitors must come to the double doors of the front entrance and press the buzzer. State your purpose when asked by the attendant. Once verified, the visitor will be buzzed into the building. Visitors must proceed to the front desk of the office and provide a photo ID. All visitors who are buzzed into the front office, into the front entry, must close the door behind them and ask other visitors behind them to wait, as you are not permitted to hold the door open for others not yet cleared for entry. Please remember safety first. If students are walking home alone or with another student, they will need a note from the parent or guardian to our administration for our records. Student drivers will require a free parking permit available in our office. Student drivers will park in the parking lot at the Minsky Gym next to Windmill Point Elementary. Here are a few friendly reminders. Safety first. Use the parent loop instructions. Arrive time is 8:45 a.m. Pickup time is 3:30. If picking up your child at other times, parent must park and show proper identification to enter the campus to sign out their child from the front office. Please follow dress code policy. We are looking for collared shirts, tucked-in shirts, belted pants, and closed-toed shoes. Please ask your child to dress for success. We will be monitoring this. Student ID badges must be picked up in the front office and worn while on campus. Replace badges in the front office before leaving. Parents must use their own parent account in FLVS, not their child's account, as we are a SIPA-compliant school district. For more details about SIPA, please contact our Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Terrence O'Leary. Please contact any of your child's teachers for instructions on how to create your parent account. Cell phone use is prohibited in common areas of the campus. Teachers have identified specific cell phone use times that do not interfere with our learning environment. How to get connected. There's 5 ways. Let's go through them. Number 1, find us and like us on Facebook to stay informed about school events, celebrations, and timely communication. Here's the website. Update your Skylert family information to receive official administrative communication regarding your child's active enrollment in the virtual program. Here is the web address for directions on updating your information in Skylert. Our student handbook contains policies and guidelines for active enrollments in the full-time virtual program. If your child needs another copy, please let your teacher know and they can send you a copy via email. Here is a link to the PDF as well. Don't forget to create and use your FLVS parent account to monitor your students' progress and communicate with our instructors. Here's directions on how to create your parent account. And finally, get involved with our School Advisory Council. The purpose is to assist in the preparation and evaluation of results of the school improvement plan and to assist the principal with the annual school budget. Parents of Mosaic Digital Academy K-12 and community members are invited to participate. Parents may participate in person, or they may receive a link for Skype in order to join us virtually. Also, contact us. Our school administrative team is Miss Christine Witzak. She's our school secretary. Our school counselor is Miss Dana Tilburg. Our school ESE specialist and testing coordinator is Miss Fran Pitts. And I'm Jean Zemba, your principal. Our school office hours are 8 to 4. You can reach our staff here at this time on Monday through Friday. And finally, thank you for choosing to place your trust and confidence in our program with our staff. We look forward to having an amazing year with your students and families. Thank you.